In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Klaviyo template using our complete 2025 guide. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily make templates that will elevate your email marketing strategy. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Klaviyo account. Head over to klaviyo.com/login. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you have options like campaigns, flows, or content. Choose the one that aligns with what you're planning to work on today. Now let's navigate to the Templates section. From your Klaviyo dashboard, click on Content and then select Templates. In the top right corner of the page, there's a button that says Create Template. Go ahead and click it to get started on your new design journey. Next, it's time to choose your template type. Klaviyo offers you three main options. The drag and drop option is recommended for most users, as it allows for an intuitive way to design using blocks for text, images, and buttons. If you're more experienced with coding or have specific designs in mind, you might opt for an HTML template. Alternatively, the saved email template lets you duplicate or edit a template you've used before. Once you've selected your template type, it's time to choose a starting point. Klaviyo offers pre-designed templates and blank layouts. Whether you're creating a welcome email, a newsletter layout, a product announcement, or a sale promotion, there's a starting point for everyone. If you're feeling extra creative, you can start from scratch to have complete control over your design. Now it's time to design your template. You'll enter the email editor, which is filled with main content blocks. You can use these to add and style paragraphs, headings, and call to actions with text blocks. Upload or link to product images and banners with image blocks. Add clickable buttons like Shop Now or Learn More using button blocks. There are also product blocks for dynamic product inserts, dividers or spacers for better visual flow, and social links to connect your social media accounts. Drag and drop these elements into your layout to bring your vision to life. For consistent branding, customize the global styles. In the left sidebar, click Styles to set your global preferences such as font type and size, heading and paragraph colors, background color, button color and shape, and link styles. A handy tip: if your brand uses a custom font, embed it through Google Fonts or CSS. Don't forget to add your logo and footer. In the header section, insert your logo at the top. In the footer, include your contact details, an unsubscribe link, and social media icons. While Klaviyo automatically includes a CAN spam compliant footer, feel free to customize its appearance. Before you wrap up, preview and test your template. Click on Preview and Test, then Preview Email, and toggle between desktop and mobile views. Send a test email to yourself to check everything from formatting to links. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Exit. Give your template a clear name so it's easy to find later, such as Newsletter-Based Template 2025. Your template will now be listed under Content, Templates, ready for reuse whenever needed. With your template saved, you can now use it in your campaigns or flows. For campaigns, go to Campaigns, create a campaign, and select your template. For flows, navigate to Flows, add an email, and select the desired template. This approach ensures consistency across your emails without starting from scratch each time. And there you have it. Follow these steps to create a Klaviyo template that will enhance your engagement and simplify your email marketing efforts. Thanks for tuning in, and happy